Hello, my friends. Today we have a new lesson. Let's start with some words. Listen and repeat after me. Shem el Nasim. We go to the garden and eat salted fish. Garden, a place with trees and flowers. Salted fish. We eat it on Shem el Nasim. 6th of October. We remember the brave soldiers. Soldier, a man who protects his country. Brave, a person who is not afraid. Eid al-Fitr. We celebrate after Ramadan. Mother's Day. We give gifts to our mothers. Well done. Let's say them again together. Shem el Nasim. Shem el Nasim. Garden. Garden. Salted fish. Salted fish. 6th of October. 6th of October. Soldier. Soldier. Brave. Brave. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr. Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Grammar verbs in context. Now let's learn verbs. Listen carefully. I play football every day. Yesterday I played football. Teachers remind us in class. Yesterday, my teacher reminded me. I draw a picture. Yesterday I drew a picture. I eat an apple. Yesterday I ate an apple. Can you say played? Great. Can you say drew? Amazing. Well done. Let's say them again together. Play, played. Play, played. Draw, drew. Draw, drew. Eat, ate. Eat, ate. Remind, reminded. Remind, reminded. Phonics letter X. Now let's learn the sounds of letter X. Listen and repeat. Exam. I have an exam tomorrow. Example. This is an example. Examine. The doctor will examine you. Box. I have a box. Fox. The fox is red. Xylophone. I played the xylophone. Say it with me again. Exam. Exam. Box. Box. Fox. Fox. Xylophone. Xylophone. Wonderful work today. We learned new words about celebrations, verbs, and the sound of X. Clap for yourself. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.